Sometimes I get some messages that, oh, what can I do? What course can I study? I have this degree, but I did not use it to work. I don't have any work experience in that field. I'm doing another thing. And then my own advice is that the best thing to do, especially if you don't have work experience in your undergraduate field or undergraduate course of study, is to do a conversion course. Now, what are conversion courses, and can anybody do a conversion course? In this video, I'll be sharing a bit about conversion courses, the schools that do it, and the courses that are conversion courses in those schools. So if you want to know more about conversion courses, please keep on watching.
Everybody know I'm a visual. Yeah, I kill it cold like a criminal. I'm everybody's type, but nobody can deny. Yes, you know I get it, I'm getting freaky. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky on, get that freaky, I'm getting freaky.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omomi, aka Petite Diva, and I am a University of Nottingham alumni and also a Developing Solutions Scholarship Award winner. In this educational series, I talk about the UK admission process, I talk about the UK visa application process, I talk about tips and tricks on how to enjoy your stay in the UK, and I also talk about tips and tricks on how to make more money as an international student. So if you like videos such as this, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification by the side so that you'll be notified anytime I upload videos. Before we get into this video, I just want to remind you that I offer some UK educational services, and those services include SOP writing, academic CV writing to boost your chances of getting an admission, and the UK admission package. Now, the UK admission package involves me curating courses that best fit you based on your educational background and your work experience. I also would help you write your SOP and also help you write your CV, then help you with the application process. So if you want any of my services, please check the description box for my email address and send me an email, or you can join the Telegram group and then send me a personal message. Now let's get into this video. Now, what are conversion courses? Now, conversion courses are courses that don't necessarily need you to have an educational background in the subject of the study, in the subject of your postgraduate study. Like I said in some of my other videos, the UK encourages switching of careers. So they understand that you might have done a degree that you did not eventually like, or you did not use to work. You might have switched careers, or you might have done something else after graduation. So these courses accommodate such people. Some of the courses might require that you have related undergraduate degrees. Some of them would want work experience. So now I'm going to mention some of the courses that are conversion courses in some schools, because some courses might be conversion course in a particular school and it might not be a conversion course in another school. I'll also leave a link to the web pages of these schools where you can find the conversion courses, because I cannot mention everything. Some of the conversion courses are very much some of them like 30 courses. I cannot mention everything in this video. Now, if you want to know the courses that are conversion courses in your school of preference, so you simply Google conversion course at the particular school of interest, and then you would see the page. So now let's get into this video so that you can know some of the courses and some of the universities that offer conversion courses. I think mostly all schools, but I'm not sure, so check your school to find out if they have conversion courses and if there's anyone of your interest. Now, the first one is Teesside University. It has over 20 conversion courses, more than almost 30. Some of the courses that are conversion courses are MSc International Management, MSc IT Project Management, MA Leadership, Masters of Public Health. Yes, Masters of Public Health is a conversion course in Teesside University, but I think they require you to have like a science degree or something like that. I'm not sure, I've not really checked, but I think they require that you have like a science degree. It might not be health, but science. There's MSc Accounting and Finance, and there's MSc Applied Artificial Intelligence. Sometimes, like I said earlier, they might require you to have a bit of work experience in some of these fields, but not the educational background. Now, the next one is University of Dundee. Most of their conversion courses are business conversion degrees. And for the University of Dundee, they have like a major focus for the courses. Then they have now sub-courses. If you get what I mean, I'm going to explain it now. Now, one of the business conversion degree is MSc International Banking and Finance. Another one is MSc International Marketing. Now, under the international marketing, there are some sub-courses that you can do. So now, under international marketing, you have MSc Digital and Social Media Marketing. You have MSc International Marketing and Branding, and so many others. Then there's MFin, International Finance. There's MSc Management or Management courses. And under the MSc Management, you have MSc Management and Entrepreneurship, MSc Management and Finance, and so many others. Then there's International Business MSc. There's MSc International Business. There's MSc International Business and Entrepreneurship, and so many others. Then there's Business Analytics. There's MSc Business Analytics. There's MSc Business Analytics and Big Data. There's MSc Business Analytics and Finance, and so many others. So you need to just check under, then look at the modules to see which one fits you. Now, for this business conversion degree, they will tell you that you don't have to have a business background before you can apply for it. So, but you could have some experience doing maybe your small business in your home country, so you could check that out. And then for University of Hull, they have over 6 courses. Now there's the MSc Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, there's MSc Biomedical Engineering, there's MSc Business Management, there's MSc Business Management with internship, there's MA Clinical Application of Psychology, and there's MA Criminal Justice and Crime Control. Now, Cardiff University has over 10 subject focus, like 10 departments that offer conversion courses. The departments include business, computer science and informatics, creative writings, and so much more. Courses include MSc Business Management, MSc Computing and IT Management. There's the one with placement, there's the one without placement. There's MA Political Communication, and there's MSc Marketing, so you can check that out. The next one is Nottingham Trent University. It has over 7 schools or departments that are offering conversion courses. Some of the schools are School of Social Science, Nottingham Business School, School of Arts and Humanities. Now, some of the courses are MA Public Policy, MSc Data Science, MSc IT Security, MA Fashion Communications, MA Fashion Marketing, MSc Digital Marketing, MSc Management and Business Analytics. So you could check them out. And the next one is University of Plymouth. Is it Plymouth? Whatever. They have over 10 courses. Now you have MSc Data Science and Business Analytics, MSc Digital and Social Media Marketing, MSc International Shipping, MSc Occupational Therapy, MSc Physician Associate Studies, MSc Pre-Registrations Nursing. So that school has nursing, pre-registration nursing as the conversion course, but they will still tell you that you should have maybe like 100 hours of working in a hospital or volunteer, something like that. So it's not, oh, I'm working in a bank, I want to do nursing. You must have like 100 hours or 300 hours. It depends on the school. And some of those courses will involve you doing an interview. So if you lie in your SOP and you get an interview and you cannot defend your SOP or your experience, you'll be caught and you won't be given an admission. Now the next one is Birmingham City University. It has over 10 departments. that are offering conversion courses. They have the nursing department, social work, teaching, and the rest of the rest. Now, some of the courses are MSc Nursing, Adult and Mental Health, MSc Social Work, Secondary Mathematics. This is a postgraduate certificate course. And yes, if you do a postgraduate certificate course, you can also apply for a post-study work visa when you are through with your program. Now, there's also MSc Speech and Language, MSc Artificial Intelligence, MSc Video Game Enterprise Production and Design. And some of the courses will tell you that, like I said earlier, that you might need a related degree for your undergrad or related undergrad degree to apply for those courses, even though they are conversion courses, but they still need to see that you have like the basis of the basics. So you have to check it out. Don't just go and apply thinking, oh, it's a conversion course. Then the last one I'm going to talk about is University of Sunderland. They have MSc Psychology, MA Social Work, MA Education, MSc Inequality and Society, MSc Project Management, MSc Tourism and Hospitality, and MA English Studies. So that is basically all. Like I said earlier, if your school is not part of the schools that I mentioned, you can simply check on Google and then find it on their website. So you have to do a bit of research if the schools that I mentioned are not the schools that interest you. So I hope you find this video useful. I hope it helps you in choosing courses to study in the UK, because I get a lot of what can I study. These are courses that you really don't have to have so much of a background in, so you can try choosing some of the courses. Like always, research on the course, research on the prospect of getting tier 2 job with the courses. So if you found this video useful and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon by the side so that you're notified anytime I upload videos. Now, with all that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.